What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. On this quick tech tip episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a new set of tow mirrors on my 06 Duramax 2500 HD. So went to Rock Auto, picked us up a set of factory replacement tow mirrors, and we'll get this thing opened up and we'll get them put on the truck. Certainly is packaged well. Comes in a nice bag. Whoa, look at that. Holy crap, I'll be able to see out of my mirror again. This is gonna be fantastic. All right guys, over here at the truck, it's pretty simple. Get your little prying tool in here. There's two clips on this plastic part and it just lifts up. That clips down in the door panel. Set that aside. Pop this foam out. All right guys, we got 3 retaining nuts right here that hold the mirror onto the door itself, but the wiring harness runs underneath the door panel. So we're gonna have to take the door panel off. To start, I just like to get under here with my pry tool. Pop that little plug out of the way. We're gonna need to take off this guy around the door handle, and that's just again, get your pry tool in there. Pry it, lift it back, it kind of slides in to the door panel on this front edge here, and then a couple little spring clips hold it in place. There's a 7mm bolt right there that we need to pull out. And then underneath this little plug right here, use my knife and pop it off. That guy right there. There is a T20 Torx screw that needs to come out. And last but not least, we need to pop off the door lock right there and expose another little 7mm screw underneath that. Now, these door panels don't pull out like a lot of them did back in the day. You have to lift them straight up in order to release the clips. And then just go ahead and unplug the wires from the door panel so that we can just set the door panel to the side. I like to hook the bottom of the door panel back into the hook so it kind of leans out. That way I can use both hands to undo the clips. Now that we have the panel off, we can easily get to, these are the mirror wires. All right, just get these plastic clips out of here. Just get your little hook tool. They just pop out. Or they break off, which isn't a big deal. You just drive them home. Especially since we're not gonna be retaining this mirror because it's broken. Okay, one thing I would recommend is making sure you get the window down so you can hold onto the mirror while you're doing this by yourself, or have a buddy or somebody there to help you hold it. Now we're gonna undo the 3 10mm retaining nuts. I'm just gonna go ahead and break them all loose. Spin the bottom ones out first so the mirror doesn't want to fall. There's a little tab right here that needs to be compressed down, or just broke in our case, because we don't really care about this. Got the new mirror here. I'm gonna go ahead and untie the wires. And feed them through. And go ahead and reverse the process. I'll put the top nut on first to help hold it in place, keep it from wanting to fall off. You're going to reuse your factory nuts because the new mirror does not have nuts with it. Don't want to go super crazy with them. You don't want to break anything off in there, but you want to get them snug enough that they're not going anywhere. And go around everything one more time. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and reverse the process. I'll put a little tape on here just to hold that wind plastic up. You have some spray adhesive, that works good for that too. I just don't have any at the moment. So a little painter's tape is gonna do the trick. All right, to install the door panel. Down here is the light bulb also that goes in the door panel here. So that needs to be plugged back in. Go ahead and hook the door panel in so I don't have to hold on to it while I try to get the wires plugged in, and we just start plugging everything back in. Once you get all your wires hooked up, pull your door handle back. Your door panel slid back down. Nope, I missed this guy here. Put your bolts and your pins in, and you got it installed. There you have it. Brand new mirror. I'm going to be able to back up my trailers like nothing. Way better than that crack shit. All right, guys, it's just that easy to replace the tow mirrors on your HD 2500 one-ton Chevy pickup truck. Pretty straightforward, probably took me about 30 minutes total, and basic hand tools. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.